Thanks for choosing Boomba Racing. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Ford Fiesta ST shifter plate. To perform this job, you will need the following tools: 7mm socket wrench, 10mm socket wrench, 4mm Allen key, T25 Torx bit, large flathead screwdriver. Disconnect the MAF sensor. Remove the air filter cover by unscrewing the 4 screws that hold in the box and also loosening the clamp that holds the air box to the intake tube. Remove the air filter by pulling it out of the box. Remove the vent line by releasing the clip that is holding in the line and pulling it towards yourself. Loosen the intake clamp and remove the air tube. Snap off the air supply duct. At this point, the air box should now be free for removal. Pull up on the box to remove it from the engine bay. Remove the shifter cable by prying up on it with a screwdriver. You are now ready to install the shifter plate. The extra hole in the bottom plate should match up with the pivot ball. Slide the shifter plate over the shifter arm, making sure everything matches up in place. Secure the shifter plate to the bottom plate with the provided screws. Reconnect the shifter cable by snapping it into place. Reinstall the airbox and air intake tube. Installation should be the reversal of removal. Enjoy your new short shifter. To order or for more info, feel free to visit our website or give us a call.